front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Quick tip: if you are connecting to another smartphone or a tablet, you will need to accept connection request manually on the second device. You don't have to do that in case of speaker or, for example, headphones. Now, to manage connection request, you can click on this gear next to your saved device and tap on Connect if you want to reconnect now, or to forget this connection completely, forget over here. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also operate this switcher next to Internet access to enable or disable it, and even tap on this pen at the top right corner to rename the device you are connected to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!